guess what day it is? Mail haul day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know that you guys knew that this was coming, but this is the products that I ordered from Ulta and Sephora because my Nova is over. I don't think there's anybody as excited as I am right now. So if you want to see me open up these boxes and see what I got that I'm going to be testing out, then keep on watching. Okay, we'll start with the Sephora box because I ordered the least from them, I believe. Oh man, that's going to shake y'all all around. Let's see. Why are these so hard to get into? I appreciate like the packaging and all, the security thereof. But I would like to also not lose a finger trying to open these suckers. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm running a risk right now. Okay, that one's open. I don't even really ow, oh my god. This is dangerous today, y'all. Okay, this is the first little product that I ordered. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I don't know. Anyway, it's the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I just ordered the small size of this because y'all know I don't believe in primers, but I've heard a lot of good things about that one, so I wanted to test it out. And then I got this. It is the Glam Glow Plump Rageous Metallic Lip Plumper Treatment. It's supposed to make your lips plumper, so that's what I'm going for in life. As always, you get some samples. I chose this. It is the, it's a concealer. So, we'll see if there's even enough in here really to test. I don't really know. I also got this NARS. What did I get? I did not request this. Ugh. It's a lip crayon from NARS. And then some, ooh, Dior Forever Undercover Foundation. So, hopefully there will be enough in this for me to actually test it out, and I will let you guys know how that goes. Okay, so now I'm opening up the Ulta box, one of them, and I did figure out how to open up that Glam Glow lip gloss plumper thing, so I'll let you guys know how that works. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a full face first impressions. Okay, so this was my afterthought that I ordered from Ulta. So this came boxed all by itself, but let me tell y'all this. I've been dying to try out this Loving Tan 2-Hour Express self-tan. I've heard that it is so good, but at the time that I tried to order it, you had to order it from Loving Tan's website, and it come from like the UK or something, and so my bank account flagged it, and then it was like frozen, so I was like, screw all that, and I just went with a different one. But now Loving Tan is sold at Ulta, you guys. And this 2-Hour Express is like what I'm talking about because I do not have the patience to wear a self-tanner for like 8 hours before I can wash it off. I live way too busy of a life to do that. You know what I'm saying? So excited to try that Becca Backlight Priming Filter to see if it lives up to the hype. Because boy, is it ever hopped up, you know? Everybody talks about it. So I'm going to try to do this without jarring you guys too much. The first thing I see is this. It is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Makeup. It's supposed to be luminous makeup with a nude skin feel, all day wear, has sunscreen, SPF 18 in it. So, I'm going to test this out. I'll let you know how that goes. This one I'm a little bit more excited for, although these in the bottle look like they're going to be way too light for me. That's the problem with ordering online, but we'll see. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation, but I've heard from people who are dry that it's not like a drying matte. So, we're going to test it out. I got mine in the shade Medium Beige. So, anyway, I'll probably do dedicated video and wear test to both of those. This I got for free. It was a free gift with purchase, and I've not ever tried any Makeup Revolution eyeshadows, so I'm excited to try them and test them out. Like I said, I'm thinking I'm going to do a full face first impressions. This only has one matte shade in it, so that's going to be fun. But this pink shade, I can't even get this open. I'm having issues with opening things today. Jesus. Is it taped? I just don't know what the deal is. It's the Love Conquers All palette. Makeup, pigment, and highlighter palette. So I'm assuming this big pink thing in the middle is the highlighter. And then these are eyeshadows, or I guess you could even use that as a blush. Probably wouldn't use that as a blush. Anyway, so I'm going to test that out. Okay, I got a sample of men's cologne. Hello. Anyway, this Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Contour Palette. Oh, I'm excited to try this because I like to do some cream products, you know. And this Makeup Revolution stuff, this is what got me the free gift with purchase, by the way, I believe. But anyway, the Makeup Revolution stuff is cheap. I said I was going to stop saying that. It's inexpensive. So if it's good, that will be good. Oh, I should really consult a thesaurus before I film these videos. Anyway, so we have foundation, we have an eyeshadow palette, we have a contour palette with concealer in it, so we'll be able to do all of that. I'm just trying to think if I've got a full face of products. I did get a blush, a NYX blush that I bought at the drugstore the other day, so we could add that in. But anyway, this is what the cream contour palette looks like. It's got some really good shades in it and a really nice mirror too. So hopefully that's not waxy. Pretty creamy. We'll see. We'll see. We'll put it to the test, okay? Okay. Let's see. Next we have Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. And I got mine in the shade Peach Lights because I'm all about these peachy tones, especially in the spring and summertime. And I think that this would be pretty as a blush topper. So I'm eager to test it out, and I've never tried a highlighter from Makeup Revolution. That feels harder than a brick. So, super chalky. That I'm thinking is going to be very disappointing, but we'll see. Ugh, I hate that. Luckily, I did get a backup. So I also got this ColourPop one. It's in the shade Lunch Money. It's their Super Shock Cheek. It looks broken on the inside, so I'm a little devastated by that, but hopefully it won't matter. Oh yeah, now see that is really creamy feeling. This is much less disappointing already. So I think I'm going to love it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So that is everything that I had ordered online that came in. And I'm excited about it, with the exception of the men cologne sample. I feel sure that I ordered a sample for me and not for Cameron, but whatever. I will give him the men cologne sample. I guess I can be a sharer. Sharing is caring and all of that. Anyway, I'm so excited, and I will be doing a full face first impressions video next. So be on the lookout for that, and please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.